Hi, this is Reet here from Reet Jewelry. We are the manufacturers and wholesalers of AD Jewelry. Today I'm here to show you some of our popular designs in tops which are in export quality only available. The first design I would like to share with you is this, the multi-stone studded AD tops with some multicolor stones, with the diamond setting, as they are the diamond replicas. You can see the shine what I am talking about. These are multi-colored stones which you can use with any of your outfit and enhance your beauty. Again, worn with both outfits, Indian and Western, for all the age groups. And these are priced at just 670 rupees. Second design is this, complete rhodium plating, pure rhodium plating. The diamond replicas. I hope it's clear visible the shine which I am talking about. These are priced at just 423 rupees. Okay, now the next one, the square shaped rhodium plating tops with green stone studded, complete rhodium plating. Look at the finish. We have different colors in stock. Instead of green you get blue, complete white and many other colors. It's just priced at 414 rupees. One more, complete again rhodium plating with one red stone in middle. These tops can be again worn for your casual wear or for any of your occasions. These are priced at just 528 rupees. Okay, now this design I would like to share with you. You will get both in rhodium plating and in gold plating. Now this is in rhodium plating, complete rhodium plating. The diamond replicas, the AD jewelry tops. These are priced at, just a second, again 528 rupees. Now look at the gold, the same design in 24 karat gold plating. We have, instead of this green, we have in red also. Lovely earrings. Again for all the age groups from youngsters to middle age. Now the last one, a lovely round shaped rhodium plating earrings. Use it for any of your occasions or the festivities coming ahead. These are priced at just 705 rupees. The prices which I have given you are for single pieces. For bulk orders or manufacturing orders, the prices can be worked out further, and I would request you to grab your colors now, and for further details please contact at the number given below. Thank you.